Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, we got so many people out there that's wanting these high tunnels. A lot of them wanting to put them up themselves, so we're going to make a video of exactly how simple this is to put this house together. Now, yes, we're putting a little about a 10 by 12 together right here, but they all go together, whether it's 10 by 12, whether it's 12 by 24, 14 by 24, 14 by 36, or 14 by 48, or 20 by 48. They all go together the same way. They got a door in each end. They got bows every 4 feet. They got a purling down the middle, and they got a corner brace on every corner. And that's all there is to this thing. Okay, so here's how simple we make these here skid. Now this one's on skids. Now you can put your post in the ground every 4 feet on each side of the house. This just makes it simpler in case you wanted to move it or something later on. Boys, if y'all would pick that up, let's just kind of show them what it looks like. Just turn it up on its edge now, see? Okay, this is a corner post right here. Let's turn it back up. This is a corner post. This is 4 feet. That's 4 feet and another 4 feet. This little deal right here is what you tie your ropes on when you get your plastic over it. This is what you tie your ropes, and you go one each way from this across the house to hold this plastic down. Same way over here, you put one on this and come back across this one, catty cornered. Down here, you'll put two, and one of them will come candy cornered. The other go the other way towards the corner. Then you got one on the corner, come back this way. Now this here is where you'll add this end piece onto here to make this set up. So okay, boys, let's set this up. You have one on this side, you have one on the other side. Remember now, you got to put it right on there, boys. And you have the little connector to put your ropes on the outside of the skid. It's not on the inside of the house. It's on the outside over there. It's on the outside over there. So if you've got these skids turned to where this is on the inside of the house, you got to turn them around. They're wrong. Okay, they put that end on. Now let's put the other end on, boys. And we'll show you what you've got. Okay, Richard, if you'll come pick this up in the middle, and I'll show them. This is the way the skid looks. Just pick it up right there now. See there? That's good right there. See there? Okay, it's set on the ground. Let her right back down. Now, we don't care if it's going downhill a little bit or this way or that way. That's fine and dandy. It can even be downhill a little bit this way, but we kind of want the ground level and smooth wherever we're going to set it. Okay, boys, start putting your bows in down to this other end. We're going to set our bows in and show you how they go in. Now, I will tell you that I forgot what I was going to tell you. Okay. All right, put one in, and then you put the other end in like that. That's on your skid, and pull her down in there till it snaps down. There you go. Okay, put the others in, boys. I was going to tell you that these little skids up to 14 foot wide are made in one piece. But the ones that's over 14 foot wide, whether they're 16 or 20 or 24, they're made in two pieces with a little connector in the top. So we'll show you a video of that next time. Okay, they've got, see, you got 3 on. We like one more having them on. Now we've kind of prepared everything where it'll go together real good here. We've already put this house together and took it apart. We're kind of cheating on you a little bit, but we're trying to make this video not any longer than it has to be. There you go, Richard. Put yours in, and that's it. Okay, now you got to put a center purling in. So you got your 4 skids in, 4 bows in your skid. Now the house is ready to put a purling in the middle. It takes a pipe going all the way from one end to the other. Okay, as you see, there is a clamp that goes over that center purlin that takes 2 screws, one on each side, into your bow, and then it takes a screw in the back side of your purlin to hold it in place. Now we're gonna put one on each end like that. Richard, you'll put your other one in next so they'll mow to reach, and then you can hold it up there better. And we're trying to do this fast so you don't have to watch an hour-long video to put one of these together. But, we're going to show you how to put the frame together today, and then we will make you another video to follow this on how to put the plastic on. But that's about half of it. Put the frame up is about half of it. All right, Richard, yeah, you got that up there. Isaac, get him a corner brace. Put him a corner brace up there. All right, Richard, if you'll help him with the corner brace now. One, okay. All it takes is a screw gun with a little socket on it and the self-tapping screws that we send with it. Now, to put that on, the best thing to do is let it level like that and let him put his clamp on and then pull it down now, Isaac. That's the way. Maybe too much. Let him get it in. Raise up a little bit. Okay, now then we come down to the bottom, put one down there in the frame and also in the bow. I can't turn around and look at you very good. I got this little brace on my neck. We'll talk about that later. All right, get your other one, Richard. That's good enough. You don't want to get them everyone. They'll see the idea. Just do each end, Richard. Come on. Get this other one, Isaac. We got to do faster with this, then y'all can come back and finish it up. Hold her up our level. Put that topping on and then come down. All right. Right down a little more, Isaac. Right there. All right, go put that one there at the other end, Richard. You got that. We're just trying to show you how to put these together because a lot of people want to put them together, and if you got the capabilities of doing it, why, it's a simple job to do. So that's what we want to show you. Right here how it is, and we've already got, I'll tell you what, Richard, let's lay that back on the ground. Folks, you can see how they go ahead and get your end in now. Put your door in. You can see now we put 2 corner braces on the other side. Now, as you set that up, let me get over behind here. Y'all keep going. As you see, as we set this up, now you've got one clamp up here screwed in, you got one clamp down yonder screwed in. Now then, to get this one, you set a level on this and level this where it's level, and then let the other boy put the clamp in down there like it needs to go, okay? And that's where it goes, right there. Okay, we're not going to put all 4 quarter braces on this morning. We just put the 2 back here. You still have another one goes here, and one goes over here. But y'all can understand it. These 2 go on the same way those did. And now then we're putting in a doorpost. What we do now, you want to take the width of your house, and measure from side to side. This is 14, if this is, let's say this is 10 foot. We got to measure it to 5 point, halfway in the middle. Then you measure 2 foot each side of that center mark. You've got it marked in the center. Because it's a 10-foot wide house, you mark it at 5 foot. If it was a 14-foot house, you'd mark it at 7 foot. And then you come off of that center mark 2 feet where you're going to put this here post. And we put the, all right, boys, okay, y'all get your door. We put this one on first. 2 foot past the center of the house and put a level on it and leveled it up. Now then our door, Richard, help him put the door on, and we'll try to. Got that one, Isaac? Pull out. There you go. Let that down. Okay. Okay. All right. Then we come over to this side over here and set this post And we want this post a 1/2 inch off of this edge of the inside edge of this door, so you've got plenty of room so this doesn't drag, because in the hot summertime this metal swells. Let me get out of their way. Now they're putting the header on. See, you put that header in there. Take it back down a minute, Richard. Okay, if you notice, we've got 2 of these connectors in the end, 1 on each end, and so now then they're going to put it up there with those, just to show you how simple. That's just a 2x2 square tubing that has a little connector on each end that sits right in there. You put your header even with the bottom of the door under here and put those screws in. Wait a minute, I let him get his in first. All right, just a minute. Now go put one over yonder. We'll put 2 screws in this side, 2 screws in the other side. And there you have your door already in. So here, already fastened. You come in here, put you a screw right down here for a stop right here. See right there like that? That stops it. Okay, now then the door's shut. All right. And that's basically, you do the other same way on the other end. You go measure your width of your house, get the center point, measure 2 feet each side of that, and then you start putting your door in. You always put your door post that has the hinges on it on first. Then you hang your door. And then you come over to, when you close that door, come over to the side and put this post in where it is a 1/2 inch away from the inside of this door. That makes it simple? Okay, now you see how easy that is to do it right there. And basically that's all you have to do to set a house up. Now that looks awful simple, and it is, but we did it once and then took it down so you'll know. But that's all you have to do to get that house up. They got to go ahead and finish these. You can go ahead and put these corner braces up, put your other in. But okay, this will help you to show you how you put this frame up. We will be back next week with one showing you how to put the plastic on this house. So if you like this, punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe, and we're going to make you another video.